Today, Madeline's tooth broke through. Yay! 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 She's not gonna look at me though. Yay! Yay! Today's the day. Today's the day. Today's the day, today's the day, hooray, hooray, hooray. Today's the day, today's the day, today's the day, today's the day, today's the day. Today's the day, today's the day, hooray, hooray, hooray. Today's the day my tooth came through. Today's the day, woo, woo, today's the day, woo, woo, today's the day, woo, woo, yay, today's the day. So Madeline, do you have any words about your day? Hooray! Today's the day Madeline's tooth broke through. Today's April something. April, what, 10th? I don't know, your dad's not helping
11.
Today, April 11th. Hooray!
Yay!
Her lower right tooth broke through today.
Yeah, so she'll no longer have that toothless smile. Yeah, that is long gone.
Oh, it was such a beautiful.
I'm not excited enough, Mum. Give me some oatmeal, then I might get excited.
Exactly. Hooray for me. Hooray for me.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Well, let's go bounce. Let's go jump. Let's go bounce and jump. Let's go bounce. Let's go jump. Okay? Yay! Let's go. Thank you for the kiss. Thank you for the kiss.
Yay! Yay!
Thank you for the kiss. Thank you for the kiss. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love that voice.
Wow!
I love that voice. It's a beautiful voice.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah. It's a beautiful voice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful voice.
Hey, whoa. Oh!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It just started this little cough. This little cough just started. We're gonna bounce now, Dad.
Okay.
We're gonna bounce a little. We're gonna see if we get some bouncing in. There's our toys. Ready? Today's the day. Today's the day.
I'm going to stand still.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you meant you. Yeah, I was like, I know. Yay! Today's day. Whee! We only have like, what, 20 more to go, so. Today's the day! Hooray! Today's the day, Mama. Now you're an adult. Go get a job. Oh, I got all this drool on me. Lots of drool. You did produce a lot of drool for that tooth. Thanks, Ian.